Creating YouTube automation videos with AI step-by-step tutorial for 2024. Hey there! Are you tired of spending hours creating YouTube videos, only to find out they don't get the engagement you hoped for? Well, stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to whip up your own YouTube automation videos using AI tools, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Alright, let's dive right in. So, what are YouTube automation videos? Basically, these are videos that you can create with minimal hands-on effort, thanks to the wonders of AI. Imagine having software that generates scripts, edits your footage, and even provides voiceovers, all while you sit back and relax. This is a game changer for content creators. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing workflow, AI can help simplify the entire video creation process. So, let's explore how you can leverage these amazing tools to create engaging content without breaking a sweat. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. First off, you'll want some AI video creation software. There are plenty out there, but I recommend checking out tools like Pictory or Synthesia. Next, a script generator is essential. Think of tools like Copy.ai or Jasper that can help you create compelling scripts in no time. And don't forget about a good video editing software. Something user-friendly like Camtasia or Adobe Premiere Pro will do the trick. Lastly, make sure you have a decent microphone for voiceovers, as good audio quality can make a huge difference. Alright, with your tools in hand, you're ready to roll. Okay, let's get into the meat of this tutorial, the step-by-step guide. First, you want to start by brainstorming video ideas. A great way to do this is to look at trending topics in your niche or even use tools like TubeBuddy to see what's performing well. Once you have a solid idea, it's time to create your script. Here's where your script generator comes into play. Just input your topic and let the AI do its magic. Once your script is ready, you can move on to video creation. If you're using AI software, you'll typically upload your script, and the tool will generate scenes based on it. You can customize visuals, add images, and choose background music. Now, don't forget about voiceovers. Most AI video tools have text-to-speech features that can make your script sound professional. Just choose a voice that matches your brand. After you've put everything together, it's time to hit that export button. And voila! You've created a video without spending endless hours on it. Now, let's take a moment to see all of this in action. I'm going to show you a live demonstration of the entire process. We'll start with brainstorming our video idea. Let's say we're focusing on top 5 AI tools for content creators. I'll hop on TubeBuddy to check out the trending topics and pick the one that's hot right now. Next, I'll switch over to my script generator and input that topic. Watch as it generates a full script in just a few minutes. Moving on, I'll upload this script into my AI video creation tool. You'll see how it creates scenes automatically, and then I can tweak any visuals I don't like. Once that's done, I'll add a voiceover using the text-to-speech feature. Finally, I'll show you how to export the finished video. And just like that, we've created a polished video in no time. Now that you know how to create these videos, let's cover some tips and best practices. First off, always keep your audience in mind. Make sure your content is relevant and engaging. Use visuals that complement your script, and don't be afraid to add some humor or personality to your voiceovers. Also, consider adding captions to your videos. This can help with viewer retention and accessibility. Another tip is to analyze your video's performance after publishing. Check your analytics to see what's working and what isn't. This will help you refine your future content. Lastly, don't forget about SEO. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to help your video get discovered. Alright folks, let's chat about some common challenges you might face during the automation process. One issue could be with script generation. Sometimes the AI might not understand your topic completely. If that happens, try rephrasing your input or adding more context. Another challenge could be video editing. If the AI-generated scenes don't flow well, don't hesitate to rearrange them manually. And if your voiceover doesn't sound quite right, experiment with different voices or adjust the speed. Lastly, if your video is taking too long to render, check your computer's performance or try exporting in a lower resolution to speed things up. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. From brainstorming video ideas to using AI tools for script generation, editing, and voiceovers, you now have a solid grasp of how to create YouTube automation videos. Remember, the benefits of using AI not only save you time but also help improve the quality of your content. So, as a visual reference, here's the final result of the video we created together. And there you have it. I encourage you to try out these techniques and see how they work for you. If you've had any experiences or tips while creating your own automation videos, drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.